Hey everyone, and welcome to the course on how to shape effective teams. We often talk about how important it is to get everyone on the team on the same page, but at the same time, we often find ourselves doing things like working hard on the wrong problem, not measuring the impact of our work, and worst of all, duplicating efforts across teams. We want to be aligned as a team, but we struggle to figure out how. You're not alone. Today, only 13% of teams are considered truly effective. With the onset of remote work over the last few years, the process for how teams come together has changed dramatically. Teams today are distributed around the world, and in order for them to feel connected and moving in the same direction, we need to become clearer than ever before on how they work together. We need a shared understanding. Based on the latest research from Atlassian, creating a shared understanding, that feeling where everyone on the team understands their mission, purpose, and what needs to get done to deliver on goals, is critical to building a high-performing, effective team. The first step to improving your team's shared understanding is to clarify how your team sees itself within the world. We call this team shaping. Pulling from Atlassian's team playbook, the freely available set of practices that fueled Atlassian's teamwork culture, team shaping represents a collection of 4 of these plays focused on making sure everyone on your team knows what they're doing and why. Those plays include the team poster, which is focused on creating a shared direction on where your team is going. Roles and responsibilities, focused on building alignment on the roles within your team and the responsibilities that need to be taken on by each. The network of teams, focused on understanding which teams your team relies on to get work done and the health of those relationships. And working agreements, focused on making explicit how your teams want to work together day to day. If your team is newly formed, or maybe you've recently experienced some turnover or additions to your team, or perhaps your organization has gone through a reorg, or maybe you simply just feel like it's the right time for your team to become a little more intentional on how they work together. Whether you're a delivery team or a leadership team, whatever your situation, team shaping will help you unlock your team's potential to reach that high-performing level. And that's what you're about to learn how to do. During the next 4 videos in this course, you'll learn about the plays that make up team shaping, how to run each play, as well as pick up some expert facilitation tips and tricks. This course was designed by Atlassian's top work futurists, where here they share their experience and favorite practices for helping your teams align and collaborate on work. After this course, you'll be able to create a shared understanding on your team by shaping the way your team works together. Improve your team's effectiveness at using the Atlassian team playbook. And develop some expert facilitation techniques for those plays focused on team shaping. So you're ready to start shaping your team? Check out the next video to continue learning.